Day 2. Good morning. Luluto tayo ng pancake.
Mommy.
So ito ang aming view. Damuhan. Dito ako magluluto ng pancake. Aming breakfast. Mag-hot water tayo. Tapos egg, hotdog, and pancake. Where's the... Let's eat. Talia. Gusto daw niya kumain doon sa malapit sa fire. Ito yung mga pogi. Ang pogi-pogi. So yan daw, mamumundok. Punta kami ng gubat. Dali natin yun. Look at your pajamas, so dirty. Ang ganda dito sa aming campsite. Meron silang small trail. Marami silang bulaklak. Ligaw na flower. Ang ganda ng weather, oh. Green na green yung mga grass. Tapos yung araw, ang sikat ng araw. Ang ganda sa katawan. Ang daming bulaklak, oh. Fresh flowers, white and yellow. Tapos parang meron ditong landscape. Parang sinadya yata. Ang gandang picturean. It's okay. Here?
I'll picture them together.
Give me the ball.
Head sign. So, bumalik kami dito sa aming camping site. Meron kasing nakasulat doon, no trespassing. So, naglaro na lang sila muna nito. Maya, punta kami downtown. No.
Rabbit. Go ahead.
Small stupid rabbit.
The packet, the small one.
Did you remove close?
We are searching a tourist spot. Diba?
How's that tourist?
Diba? Where's the frog? And the chickens. Recreation. Wait, wait. Recreation. It's from BC.
Time to go swim.
If you want to swim, remove all your clothes.
Even our underwear.
Yes. No need, just fit. It's cold, the water. Wow.
Ready? Oh yeah.
Go there, go.
Mom, it's very cold.
Cold.
Yeah, it's good.
Jumping?
Yeah, only one. Yeah, only swim, full swim. Yeah. No, but Talia, do like this.
Oh.
Like it's need to jump on the surface of the water. You know what I mean?
Tapos may nadaanan kami ditong camping site. Libre daw, sabi nung nandun sa camper van. Kasi tinanong namin kung paano mag-book dito sa campsite na to. Sabi niya libre. Kaso lilinisin mo lahat. Yung pang barbecue.
No, it's this. Local book. Nathan. Yo! Oh, it's there.
There.
Nathan, if you ever arrive in Philippines, check it
No.
out. Dance the hand.
Don't shoot that.
I know. It's beautiful.
So, nag-start na ako magluto ng lunch and dinner. Magkasama na sila. So, nilagyan ko siya ng asin. Tapos, sinati ko to. Gusto daw ni Italia at saka ni Ron ng burger. Tapos, itong beef rolls. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Alam mo naman, mahilig tayo manood sa Instagram. Ihaw natin. Tapos, ito na ang aming food.
So hot.
Just put there. What you call that? Roll. Rolling. So, ayan si Talia. Ang nakain niya ay burger. Iba-ibang pagkain nila. Kailangan the mother is flexible. Ito namang isa, hotdog lang. You want corn, Nathan?
6, 7.
Masa 6, 7? You want? Let's cook already. So, dito sa tabi ng fire. Ayan ang
6,
aming lunch. Kirain na meron yung nasa roll. Siya palang bubos kasi natin. Patikim lang ako isa. Siyempre, may rice. Ito yung kanyang sardines.
So, si Ron daw maghihiwa. May dugo-dugo pa. Pero hindi siya dugo. Yan ay muscle blood. So, ibabalik lang namin doon sa fire
It's okay,
para
we can,
lutuin
put it
pa.
in if you want to cook more.
Trust me, I know facts.
Talia, your mouth so dirty.
They stay for hours.
So, let's eat.
They're not a demographic.
Kanilang masterpiece and then just finish shower. Bagong ligo.
Can we buy a bigger flag? Well, it's brown.
Forget. Move.
Lily, what the
Take this. Look. It stick to the wood.
Wait.
No, I mean nice one. Now it's gonna.
like this?
Ready, Nathan?
You do like. Like that.
Come on, Talia.
I want to sit here.
Only behind.
I'm the guy with the apple. No, Talia, move.
Only from behind.
Oh, sit here. No, move.
So ayun guys, last day na namin. Luto ko ng shakshuka.
You said that to.
So ayun ang aming breakfast. Shakshuka and bread toast.
Talia, reverse this. Sorry, behind. And can you move to the right? I want to.
So ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Galing camping. So next week ulit.